Welcome, welcome. Today's the final day of this week. Um, and we do have a small red day hitting a little bit over max loss of 250. Um, let's go ahead and switch right over to the recap here. P&L on the day was 297 in the red. Um, and it was a very short day. I ended after only 19 minutes of trading. Um, so down 297, average winner loser about 1 to 1, and then only 30% win rate. So pretty negative win rate today. Wasn't really clicking with anything. Um, Largest gain, largest loss, about the same size. But yeah, just the accuracy today was pretty bad, and that's all. Um, so starting off the day, I was actually stuck in a trade pre-market. I tried taking this break of $2 at let's see at um, I tried taking the break of $2 at 5 minutes before the market opened at 9:25 market time, and I was in for the break of two. We get the break of two all the way up to 214. And Um, I tried selling as it was breaking, but I accidentally threw out a sell market order, selling market instead of selling limit orders, because you can only use limit orders during pre-market. So because it was within 5 minutes of the market opening, they didn't let me cancel that market order to sell my position. So I tried canceling it. I tried speaking with support about it. The order is just sitting there. So I had to sit and watch myself be up 20 cents a share, up $100 in the day, and then all the way swinging back down to being down, basically 10 cents a share, $50 in the day. Um, while this was happening, I couldn't get out. And so I had to wait for market to open, and then at market open right here. So market opens there, and my order gets executed at 92 to sell. And there it goes all the way up to 2, so I missed this whole move. End up only taking like a $17 loss, which is fine. But you know, it shouldn't have happened. It should have been a $100 gain. There's a big buyer at 10 there, trying to see if it holds. Getting in there. Seller at 12.13, it's breaking, getting out at 14.15. So got back to green on the day. There's 12, out at 11, small loss. Break even on the day. Lots of volume going through on this one, just like the, I think it was BRSH yesterday, where it becomes kind of hard to read level 2. Buyer there at 5, so I'm in at 6. Watching 10, watching that seller at 10. It's not breaking, so I'm getting out at 8 and 9. Added back at 12. There's 18. Taking it off at 17, adding back at 17, back out at 16. So getting up a decent amount on the day with that opening stretch. But CRKN is the one I'm down the most on today. Down like 220 on it. Um, and it's mostly just because I got chopped down in a couple trades, so taking a 3-cent loss there. I also sized up on this one, even though I was only break even on it. So I'm using 1,000 shares right now, but then I start sizing up to 1,500, even though I haven't really proved myself yet. So that's something I want to fix as well. I've been doing very good about that. Uh, I've been doing very good with not sizing up until I'm a good portion green on the day. Just today I accidentally sized up. Or not accidentally, I just sized up a little bit too soon. I needed to have more profit on the day before I sized up to 1,500 and 2,500. I should have stayed at 1,000 shares or 500 shares um, until that point. So what I probably should have done was once I was up 40, $50 on the day, I can size up to 1,000 shares. And then from there, once I'm up like 100 or 75, I can size up to 1,500. But because I came back down to break even, I should have been sizing back down to 500 shares as well. So I shouldn't be at 1,000 shares anymore either, because I no longer have the cushion. So I should be treating this as if I haven't taken any trades on the day. I need to still get a cushion on the day. So I should be taking 500 shares. Um, Essentially, I catch a couple small losses on BETR here, scalping highs. And then, oh, look at that. Yeah, this is a bigger loss. Seller there at 10. I'm in at 9. And let's see. Yeah, I think I get stubborn to sell here. Definitely. So buyer at 6 and it flushes down to 2. I get out at 2 and 1. Take an 8-cent loss there on 1,500. Not good. Puts me down 177 on the day. Gosh. Let's see. Buying this as it comes back below 2. Trying to get a dip buy here at 202. It ends up going lower down to 95. Taking it out there. Now I'm down 240 on the day. Just $10 away from max loss. And here's where I go. Okay, well, I only have $10 left to risk. So I need to size down. I should have sized down sooner, but this is the point where I start sizing down. Let's see here. So yeah, taking small size on BETR, trying to get a 1-2 cent winner to get it a little bit farther away from 200 or 250. Now I'm at 240. Back to 250 almost. 240. 220. Was able to catch a nice winner there on YS on a bottom bounce. 230 on the day. And then I take a couple more losses on CRKN. Probably shouldn't have come back for CRKN given the fact that it's the one that's putting me the most red. But I come back one more time. Oh wait, never mind. Let's go back here. So AFRM, take a $10 loss, and then I'm sitting pretty much at max loss, and I switch back over to, let's see, oh yeah, ELIQ was popping up a little bit. I was looking at this, it was low volume. It's one I made a lot on yesterday, but I was looking at it for the break of 289, high a day break, double top, and it's pretty low volume. I did see green on the tape, and it was kind of trying to break 89, so I get in, and just 500 shares. So I thought I was risking just a couple cents, maybe like 85, so risking 3 cents, but ends up flushing all the way down to 79 on me, taking the 10-cent loss, 76. I give it a second here to see if it wants to reclaim 84. It doesn't, out at 75 and 70, or 70. Got a lucky fill there at 78. Okay. But yeah, down to 97, that's where I finished the day. So very short day, very short recap to end the week. Finishing the week up 5 grand, so still a very nice week. We'll look to round out the end of August next week with a couple more green days. I'd like to break 5 figures on the month. Currently we're sitting around 7,000. So I'd like to see if we can get to 5 figures. That'd be nice. It's not required though. If it's not happening, it's not happening. But yeah, take care guys. Have a great weekend. Study up. I'll be back on Monday with another recap. And then one last thing. People are asking about where the live streams are. I'll be probably going back to live streams in September, beginning of September. First Monday of September, and then if I do live stream again, it'll be a little bit more, it'll be where I can continue to hold the focus that I've been holding these last 2 weeks on my trading. I haven't had a live audience. I haven't had to maintain an audience. So I've pretty much been not taking any boredom trades. I haven't been taking I haven't been really missing entries either. That's one thing I did notice when I was streaming. A lot of the time I'm talking about where my entry is, and I end up missing it, or I catch a little bit of slippage, like 2 cents of slippage, because I'm a little bit late to the entry. Um, but yeah, so and when I do stream again, it'll be uh a little bit more reserved. It'll be um less interactive. I'll probably just save all questions to the end of the stream. So if you're not around at the end of the stream, then I'm sorry, I'm probably not gonna get to your question. But yeah, so that's what I'll probably be doing. I'll probably be answering questions at the end of stream, or maybe during downtime if there's like a slow period. But yeah, so I'll be focusing more on myself than you guys on the stream. The stream will mostly just be there for you guys to hear and listen and watch. It's not really gonna be for an interactive thing anymore. I yeah, I don't know what else to say. Yeah, all right. Take care, guys. Have a great weekend. Be back with recaps for the next week, and we'll try live streaming again on the first Monday of September. I believe that is. Let's see, September 4th. All right. Take care.